Okay, let's begin our installation process today. Now, suppose you have downloaded Cadence Virtuoso installation file. So my SOP, the first step is to download all the files. Once you completed that, you can extract and install the files. So let me show you how to do. The next step, step 2. So you need to type this command. Who am I? If you type who am I in Linux console, it will show you what is your identity. For example, if I use this, you can see the prompt. The prompt here is $sign. $sign means you are a normal user. I tell you to create a normal username called Hunter, remember? So if you type who am I in this system, it will show you your normal username. But if you type SU minus and input your root password, then it will change the prompt from $sign to sharp. OK， 它会从那个前号有没有变成井号？你看到井号，你看到提示符号是井号，你就是 super user 了。OK，once you see this prompt, that means you are super user now. And please be very careful when you use this permission. If you type something wrong, do not seek help from me. I will tell you to install from scratch. 我再用中文重讲一次。你如果系统搞烂了，不要来找我重灌。你来找我就是重灌啦，知道吗？用 root 权限做操作就是要很小心就对了。这样了解？那我这门课我都会把武功秘籍写在这边。我已经有一本中文的书了，这中文的书我再用英文再写一本武功秘籍哦，到时候再来出书。我书都是在上课的时候写的。I will give you this note when today's course is finished. Okay, so you can follow my step because I type a lot of commands during the course. If I don't give you my note, you may not keep up with me. Okay, so now we need to do the second step, which is extract files and the installation. So first, you need to create a opt eda directory. Please use root permission and type mkdir-p opt eda. And please be noted that in Linux there are capital or normal case that is different. Understand? 我用中文再讲一次，你在 Linux 的Unix Linux 都一样，指令的大小跟目录的大小是不一样的，小写跟大写是不一样的。我打大写你就打大写，我打小写你就打小写，知道吗 ？Please follow my command. If I type a capital, please use capital word. If I use normal case, please use normal case. Understand? 那我就继续做给你看了。所以你现在打 mkdir, please type mkdir-p opt. Before you type that, you can type ls-l opt. You will see that currently this directory has no files. We can check this first. So if you type this command mkdir-p opt eda, and you can type ls-l again opt, you will see you have eda directory now. Okay? 好，我再讲一次，这个步骤只要做一次就好，因为你接下来要安装软体有没有？是不是这个目录已经有了？你不用再每次再建这个目录了，了解吗？ You only need to do this command once because the directory has been created. You don't need to create this next time. Okay? Okay, let me show you my because I already give you the files in this directory, right? There are 4 files here. So you can type tar XFVA IC under 9 you can type tab to auto complete。来，我再讲一次哦。我们在打指令的时候，就看到这里是不是版名很长，对不对？打不完，对不对？你打 IC 按 tab， 键盘上面是不是有个 tab 键 ？tab， 你看它会跟你讲 IC 开头的有这些档案。那你看这里是不是 IC 底线？那就 IC 底线 tab， 有没有看到这里？这里要停下来了，你再按一次 tab， 它会告诉你哦，因为我接下来是1 of 4、2 of 4、3 of 4、4 of 4，所以你就打1，这样子，了不了解？它就帮你把后面的自动补起来了。知道吗？哦 ，OK， so you may think that the file here is the file name in this directory is very long and it contains capital and the normal case, which is very difficult to type. So we can use tab to auto complete the file name. If you type TAR XVA IC tab twice, it will show you that the file begins with IC is these files. Then you can type under 9 and tab again. It will auto complete from here to here. However, from when it stop here, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If you type 1 and press tab again, it will auto complete the rest of the file name. Okay? And type capital C OPT EDA. So you need to type this command. So it begins to extract the file to OPT EDA directories. So you need to type okay, let me explain what is no error message. You see, I already completed this process and it doesn't show any message. It didn't tell you that it has completed this command successfully. But if something wrong with it, it will show you that something wrong with this command, with this file. Okay? However, if it did not show you any error message, that means no output, then this process is complete. Okay, so you can type the command. Oh, okay. After that, you can type. After that, you can type ls-l opt eda. Then you will see another new directory appear. This is a new directory appear, right? And you can show this opt IC here. You already have this. You already have this directory. And this is software link, but this is not the final installation files yet, because you only extract one file. So this is a partial installed software. So you need to run all these 4 commands one by one. So later, I needed to type this again. 2 of 4. 2 of 4, enter, and it will extract the files. Okay, so you are currently you are downloading all the 4 files, right? So after you finish, you don't need to run all these 4 after you complete all the download process. You can extract one by one. Once you download this file, you can extract it, and you can extract the second one once you complete it. Okay, so this is the second step. So step 3. Okay, second one is complete. So now this is 3 of 4. 3 of 4. Step 3. Configure environment. Please create a text file called bash ceda with the following content. Okay, I will not give you this file directly. You need to use VI to type it by yourself. Okay, so if you are not familiar with VI, you need to practice that. Okay, so I will explain this later because you are still very far behind my progress now. So currently, please go to step 2. Please finish step 2, okay? And I will give you my note now. 我们的 9 在哪里？我等一下再给你们文字档了，我先把我弄的给你们，不然你们现在没办法看文字档。Okay, this is the note today. Currently, not yet, not completed yet.